Hi, honey. Are we gonna roll over? Oh, it's too dark. Let's roll over, honey. Oh, it's bright in here. Hi. Oh, you sucking on your thumb. What do you? Come this way. Oh, there you go. You did it, honey. Yes, you did. I got it. Yeah. I got it. I got it. You rolled over. Yeah. You want to do it again? Roll this way. Hi, honey. You go follow Mama. Follow Mama. Let's go this way. Roll over. You follow Mama. Look at you. Yay! You rolled over. Come here. Look this way. Yay, look at you. We can't lay you on the ottoman no more. Because you can roll over. Yay! And we got it. Yes, we did. Say yay! Yay, Celine! Hi, baby girl. Hi. Oh, yeah. Oh. Come here, honey. Oh. Okay, we're going to turn this off. Say bye-bye. Celine, bye-bye.